Hi, I'm William Cole. I'm founder and CEO of F1 IT Inc. We are a dental specialized IT company, a really comprehensive partner in technology for dental practices. We provide all the installation and service, support and maintenance, compliance, and digital marketing solutions that your practice could possibly need. We've been doing this for a little over 20 years. Our team has experience building practices from the ground up. We run all the network cables, we install the servers and workstations, but beyond that, we do all the audio, video, the security, the surveillance, the access control, anything you need to have technology really empower your practice. In an ideal world, things will just work all the time. That's just simply not the case. We are there to help you service those things, make sure they're maintained, up and running. Our key to security is always based on the layered effect. You have many things in place just in case a malicious actor or software gets through one, there's always something behind it. There's a term in the industry called business continuity and disaster recovery. We want to make sure that as much as possible, nothing interrupts the practice and the operations, and you being able to see your patients. But of course, there's disaster recovery. There's acts of nature, buildings burning down, floods, ransomware. It happens and it's terrible. And if you're not prepared for it, it's devastating. We are able to get those servers and your data back up and running in the event of a disaster very quickly. It's built into our services even at the lowest tier. It's basically our standard of working with our customers. And with security in mind, we were asked hey, do you guys build websites? Do you do SEO, social media management? Eventually the answer just became yes, we're there already. We are focused on the technology and of course security first. In today's world, without an online presence, without that accessibility, that social proof, that reputation management, you're not going to be as successful as the guys down the road. Of course, we want to either create or improve your online presence. We want to see a real representation of who you are, what you're trying to achieve in your practice, and what you offer to your patients. We take that online presence and we give it a little shortcut. That comes in the form of organic SEO, on-site SEO, and paid ads. We help you with the creation, optimization, and the management of those campaigns. We really believe in the ability for technology to empower your practice. The things that technology can do today that it couldn't do less than a year ago are just incredible. And we want to use that to help build your practice, build the confidence that your patients have in you, and let you focus on that patient experience. F1 IT has started and has always been about the dental industry, right? And of course, that industry is always evolving. It's part of our job to keep up to date on what's new, what's relevant, what's helping other customers out there. Different practices of different sizes have different goals, and we want to help you where we can. Nothing that we do or build is considered cookie cutter. We came from very humble beginnings. We have a lot of sensitivity and understanding for the struggles that our customers go through. We want to understand who you are, what you want to represent, and what your goals for the practice will be. In the end, those relationships help us really invest in the growth of your practice. Your success genuinely is our success, and that's where we take the most pride in. Where we really see ourselves going is expanding that to more people. We continue to do the right thing. We build those relationships. I really think that growth will come.